I was just wondering whether you plan at some point to speak more about equipment, about the assignment of causal functions, because you always treat it as a kind of term of comparison with that part of assignment business that you are interested in. And, but I think the equipment is actually pretty much interested in a way, as I believe was Pavla's intention. In a way, she, I believe, wanted to argue that the decisive step, so to speak, from the brute level, takes place already on in the assignment of causal functions.
Yeah.
And if that is true, then perhaps it's kind of more important an issue than it appears in the two books.
Yeah, well, it could be, but I'd like to see somebody work it out.
Yeah.
The key distinction is this: when I make these noises, they succeed in representing not in virtue of brute causal powers, but in virtue of semantic conventions. And that's what lends force to the idea that there is a double level of intentionality where you intend to have conditions of satisfaction imposed on conditions of satisfaction. Now, when I use the by means of relation to hammer and nail, I have not condition of satisfaction imposed on top of condition of satisfaction, but rather further condition of satisfaction achieved by way of the earlier condition of satisfaction, and that's a crucial difference. I'm not belittling causal functions. No, I think they're crucially important. In fact, there are a whole lot of other things that I'd like to say a lot more about. Works of art. It's clear that there's an element of status function in our public recognition of works of art, but of course the artist can't think that. The artist can't think that what he or she is doing is trying to satisfy some convention. No, the whole point, at least in our post-romantic, post-Renaissance conception of art, is it has to be some individual expression which then other people recognize. So you get all kinds of subtleties, which I haven't gone into in either of those books, and which I'd like to explore more. So I don't want to give you the idea that the totality of the imposition of human intentionality on reality is exhausted by status function like making somebody president, or physical causal functions like making a cup. There are all sorts of other very